Three, two, one. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Ishan Aurora Experience. I hope everybody's doing well. With that said, क्या था वो intro? Let's just jump into the video. For the people who don't know, we've got UFC Edwards versus Brady fight night. So I will be giving my thoughts on the card and my predictions. So undercard mein, this is very important. Prelims mein, Pooja Tomar is fighting, and she's fighting Shauna Panon. That's how you say her name. Hands down, I'm supporting Pooja Tomar, Indian fighter. Obviously, we have to support her. So, regardless of the outcome, I feel this is a very good step for MMA in India and particularly women MMA. So, Pooja Tomar, let's let's get that W. Let's go. Uh, बाकी सारे fights I'm looking at. Jaya Herbert is closing the prelims. I couldn't be bothered. The main card is also opened by people that I don't really follow. Molly McCann is fighting someone. I don't care, bhai. I genuinely don't care. मेरे को casual बोलो. I don't care. I don't care. Fights that I care about. ये हुआ ना अभी ये this fight is interesting. Gunnar Nelson versus Kevin Holland at welterweight. Gunnar Nelson, I think won his last fight, if I'm not wrong. And let me just check that real quick. Gunnar Nelson. For the people who know, he's been around the block. Bhai, he is a vet of the game. He Yep. He won his last fight via submission. So the OGs know Gunnar Nelson. Bhai, he's a threat to anyone. And he is going up against Kevin Holland, who launched his last fight against our Britain RD3. RDL नहीं रे. Kevin Holland को the new guy from One Championship यार One Championship का Rener de Ridder RDR. Kevin Holland fan favorite, but this fight is happening at welterweight. Gunnar Nelson is a grappler through and through. Kevin Holland likes to stand and bang. However, Kevin Holland has improved on his grappling. I'm also a very big Kevin Holland fan, so I have to be very honest here. I am biased. मेरे को Kevin Holland as a fighter very exciting लगता है. I actually like his fighting style. Pandemic में he was the most active fighter. 5 fights were on this winning streak. So I really like Kevin Holland. Gunnar Hansen is an OG of the game. वो बहुत time से he's been around. I feel plus अगर आप betting odds देखोगे तो Kevin Holland is not the favorite. He's an underdog. I feel Kevin Holland gets it done. I feel this fight is going to be a finish. I feel Kevin Holland जीतेगा. I feel he's gonna. I don't think he's gonna submit Gunnar Nelson. Let's be honest. I feel he's going to. I don't know. I feel Kevin Holland via TKO. I don't think Kevin Holland is the type of person to go for a submission. He might, but मेरे को लगता नहीं है ये fight में होने वाला है. Either way, this fight is going to a decision. Either Gunnar, I don't think that's going to happen. If I have to make a guess, I feel Gunnar Nelson won't win. I feel Kevin Holland जीतेगा. Via decision, KO TKO. Regardless of who wins, this fight is going to a decision. So I have it Kevin Holland by knockout or TKO. Next we have, I am looking forward to this fight. Jan Blachowicz coming back from an injury against the surging Carlos Alberg. Carlos Alberg is from the same team as Israel Adesanya, the City Kickboxing team. So I think he's on a streak also. I don't think who's the last guy did he face? Uh, the last prominent name he faced was Vladimir. Sorry, Vladimir Volkan Ozdemir. Okay, that is all right. Yeah, so this is a very big step up for Carlos Alberg in competition as he's going up against uh, Jan Blachowicz, a former lightweight champion, former light heavyweight. What is happening to him? Former light heavyweight champion. Uh, Probably had a very close fight with Pereira, if you ask me. And first guy जिसने Adesanya को his first loss hand किया था in the UFC at light heavyweight. Good, good wrestling, good striking, the Polish power as he's known by coming back from an injury. Balls, Jan is gonna win this. I'm also a Jan fan. Nothing wrong with Carlos. I just feel Jan is just better. Even though he's coming off an injury, I have him winning. This fight is also not going to a decision. Jan Blachowicz is not the type of person who you take to a decision. He's knocked out Luke Rockhold. He he bhai, if you want to see what Jan is capable of, watch his fight with what's his name? Dominic Reyes. भाई अभी का जो करंट चैंपियन है अंकल आइफ Jan Blachowicz went to a draw with him. Jan Blachowicz was going shin to shin with him. Jan Blachowicz can't be slept on. The fact that he's not been mentioned as a title contender, I feel Jan Blachowicz gets this by KO finish, and he gets his hand raised. No disrespect to Carlos Alberg. I just feel Jan is just better. He is just better in all areas of the game, and I think he gets this done. The main event, the spicy main event, Rocky Edwards versus Sean Brady. Leon Edwards, after losing his title to Bilal Muhammad, is his first fight after that. Sean Brady's last fight was against Gilbert Burns, very hard to watch. अगर किसी ने वो fight देखी नहीं है तो please, if you're uh, Durinho fans, I love you Durinho, just saying that. It's fine. It's fine. ठीक है, it's okay. It was a hard fight to watch. Sean Brady, his last loss in this division was to Bilal Muhammad. Leon Edwards' last loss also in this division is to Bilal Muhammad. Common denominator. It could be a number one contender elimination fight. I feel Bilal fights. Bilal is not fighting Shafkat, na. Bilal is fighting Jack. So there are serious ramifications for this fight. I feel Leon Edwards good everywhere. Uh, solid takedown defense. Kamaru Usman couldn't take him down. Struggled. Covington was having a hard time taking him down. Bilal took him down somehow. Just MMA math भाई नहीं चलता है ये सब के time पे. Leon Edwards good striking. Everybody knows the infamous head kick. Uh, Tends to fade in the last rounds. Needs to be told by his coaches multiple times to step on the gas. Sean Brady, good, strong wrestler, has got some decent hands. Beat Durinho. Before that, I think his Kelvin Gastelum is also a good victory. That's a very good victory. Uh, yeah, Sean Brady has been Michael Chiesa. Lot of decisions, a few submissions here and there. A strong fighter. Uh, I feel it all depends, right? If Leon Edwards, uh, it's a tough one. This fight to predict because Leon Edwards, I don't think he's going to fear Brady's takedown. And Leon Edwards, Brady is not chinny. Like, up, you've not seen him get wobbled and get flatlined. But Leon can do that to you. Leon did that to Kamaru Usman. Leon with the fear of that head kick in Covington's mind also. So I think it's a toss up. I feel if I have to, if Brady can put relentless pressure on Edwards, if he can just not give him any space to breathe, not let his hands go, I think I can see Brady winning this one by a decision. But if Leon starts piecing him up on the feet, uh, I feel it all depends on how the fight starts. If Brady puts a lot of pressure on him, because Brady, both of them have a lot of things to prove in this fight. One needs to get the title back. So this is his road to the rematch, the trilogy essentially with Bilal Muhammad. And Brady is the young upstart who's trying to make a name for himself in a division that is filled with killers. You got Shafkat, you got Jack, you've got Ian Gary somewhere, you've got Joaquin Buckley, you've got Kamaru Usman, you can't count him out, you've got Covington somewhere. Masvidal is returning. So it is a pretty Gilbert Burns is there. A lot of people are there. It's a pretty stacked division. Wonderboy is there. So you can't really make a misstep here. But if I have to, भाई अगर मेरे माथे पे किसी ने गन रख दी बोल दिया say someone, I feel I'll give it to Brady via decision. I could be wrong, but if I have to, Sean Brady via decision. So that's it for this special MMA podcast prediction video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe to the podcast. अभी मेरा थोड़ा एग्जाम्स चालू है so थोड़ा delay होगा to my hardcore listeners to the podcast. But once they are done, don't worry, the podcast is going to be back in full motion with whatever's happening in my life, whatever's happening around me, whatever's happening on the internet. Make sure you check out this UFC fight card, London. आई थिंक हम लोग के यहाँ पे संडे को 1:30 को होने वाला है, सो मेक श्योर यू चेक इट आउट. अंटिल देन, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू द पॉडकास्ट. आई विल टॉक टू यू गाइज वेरी सून.